We've never talked about this app before, but you can actually make over $100 every 2 minutes. And no, it's not a dream. Do you want to make $100 every 2 minutes? Done. I'll show you how you can get those results starting today. Now, I and a few other people have been using this new method for over 2 weeks now. It's the freshest way to make money online for free with this one single app. This app is available for both iOS and Android, and it's absolutely free to install. You can do this on your phone or you can do this on your computer. This opportunity is 100% free and available worldwide. So make sure you watch until the end so that you don't miss out on the sign up process because it's actually very tricky and most people they do it wrong. This is worldwide available, by the way. People in India could use this, people in Africa can use this, people all over the world could use this method, and this is gonna be an easy way to make money online. Alright, so what we're gonna be talking about today is one of my favorite testing websites. It's called Userlithics.com. Now, a lot of people aren't talking about this website. Basically, what you can do on here is to be testing out different products and services from different brands and companies. This is a testing platform that different companies can have their products tested on. That's all you basically need to know. You can try to read more about this, but basically, what you want to do is click tester sign up. Now it's gonna take you to this page right here. So again, we're gonna click on sign up and finish the signing up process. Now it's gonna take us to this page. So, we'll get paid to test websites, software apps, and all that good stuff. And basically, just by sharing our opinions. Now, who of you wants to be heard? Who feels like their voice isn't being heard? Now, I know a lot of people feel like that, especially nowadays. Many feel like they can't say anything, and nobody cares about their opinions or their side of the story. Whatever that is, this is the website for you. Now, companies want to hear your opinion, and not only do they want your personal opinion, but they're also paying for it. So you can basically test out those websites and apps and get paid for being completely honest about what you think of the products and services that they're offering. So this is amazing right here. Look at this. Interact with the web or mobile app or any other type of digital asset and you speak your thoughts and emotions out loud. As you do, answer just a few questions. That's all you have to do. Answer a few questions. User testing is so fun and enjoyable that it makes you want to keep doing more and more tests. So let's get on to the money because this is the main thing, right? To get paid via PayPal, so all you need to do is to have a PayPal account and look at this. You get paid $5, $10, $20, up to $90. Look at this, $90 per project that you do. And these projects are only like 5 to 10 minutes long, even less than that sometimes. So I'm not joking around. If you put in this amount of work, you can make up to $90. This is not a joke. This is 100% facts right here. This is completely insane. Now all you have to do is put in your email address to sign up and confirm that you're 16 and above. And then agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy. And basically, you can get started. Now, how does this work? Okay, I'll make it super easy for you guys. Anyone can do this. So they give you a set of tasks and instructions that you have to do that you just follow along. You just follow the tasks and instructions and that's it. You don't have to think for yourself. You won't have to create anything out of scratch like if you're starting a business. None of that. You won't have to brainstorm or anything. Basically, all you have to do is follow the setup instructions that they give you, complete them, and you'll get paid for doing so. That's all we're gonna be doing really. And as you can see right here, you can work from anywhere in the world. You know, from the comfort of your home, you can work on your phone, computer, whatever you have, and you can start doing these projects right away. Like right now. So, by now, you might be asking yourself, what countries can we do these tests from? So, take a look at this: Europe, North America, South Africa, Asia, Japan, China, and other countries around the world. This site is global provider and they're always growing. So if your country's not on the list, like I said, they're always growing. So it's a good idea to keep an eye out. So for this, all you need is a computer or a phone and internet connection. You can read the instructions over here. You can get this at the Google Play Store or the App Store. Now let's look at this right here, Userlithics.com. Okay, so here's the app right here. Let's go through this sign up process. You insert everything you know, create your account, and then it takes you to the app. So basically, that is it. Make sure you actually sign up for the website first, and then sign up for the app after. That's very important. Now this app has this amount of start rating, so it's pretty good. Also, if you can see right here, these are their clients. These are Fortune 500 companies right here. So they're the biggest companies in the world. Companies like Microsoft, Google, Dunkin' Donuts. These are huge companies, the biggest companies in the world. So like I said, these are products that we use every day. So just give your honest opinion about how these products benefit you and work for you. It's very simple and easy to do. Now if you've made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you take action. Don't let your mind control you. Get up and start following whatever I show you on this video. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.